Thinking about hiring a general contractor for your crawl space, basement, or foundation repair needs? Here's why you should think twice. And trust us, we've heard it many a times. We fully understand that your general contractor has been a contractor for 30 plus years. This is the first thing that all GCs tell us every single time. But yet we find ourselves fixing work behind GCs weekly. General contractors are, just as their name implies, general. They lack specialization in fixing any of your specific needs. One day they may be painting, the next roofing, and then the next day they may be doing a little bit of electrical or plumbing. But when it comes to your crawl space, basement, or foundation, they lack the expertise required. The good general contractors specialize in coordinating subcontractors and trades, but they typically do not specialize in any one trade themselves. As a result, they often subcontract the work to the lowest bidder to maximize their profit, which can compromise the quality of the repairs. When it comes to moisture, water, or mold-related issues, general contractors often do not offer a formal warranty specific to these concerns. This lack of warranty coverage leaves you vulnerable to potential problems down the road. General contractors also lack a formal annual maintenance plan to ensure the long-term health and stability of your home. Without proper maintenance, issues may go unnoticed and lead to more significant problems in the future. Moreover, general contractors do not have dedicated personnel to help you if problems arise later. You may find yourself struggling to get assistance and support when you need it the most. At HydroHelp911, we offer a different approach. Here's why you should choose us for your waterproofing and structural repair needs. We specialize in waterproofing and structural repairs, focusing solely on these areas. Our expertise ensures that we deliver high-quality solutions tailored to your specific needs. All of our employees are W-2 employees, meaning we have a dedicated team committed to providing exceptional service. No 1099 and very, very little subcontractors. We minimize the use of subcontractors and ensure that our own employees handle 98% of the work. We say 98% because there are services such as electrical that require a specialty license in which we do not have. We provide written and transferable warranties for all of our services, including foundation repair, moisture, water, and mold-related concerns. You can have a peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. We continually seek higher education and training to stay at the forefront of our niche services. Our commitment to learning ensures that we deliver the latest techniques and solutions to our valued customers. With HydroHelp911, you'll have a dedicated service technician ready to address any concerns or problems that may arise after the initial installation of your project. We prioritize your satisfaction, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Unlike general contractors, we have the specialized equipment and training required for our work. You won't have to pay a middleman or compromise on quality, as we handle everything in-house. Lastly, we are vested in your community. Our fleet of wrap trucks and our commitment to transparency ensure that when we work on your property, everyone knows it. We stand by our work, and we're here to serve you. Choose HydroHelp911 for your waterproofing and structural repair needs. Experience the difference of a specialized and dedicated team ensuring the long-term health and stability of your home. Please reach out to us at 704-813-9554. You can call or text for any of your crawl space, basement, or foundation repair and waterproofing needs. Thanks.